Lectures of August 2025. Today we're going to be covering imposter syndrome. Now, imposter syndrome is when you feel way less than what the reality is. And this applies to traders because most of the time they doubt their ability when they have historical data proving that they know what they're talking about. But because it seems so much bigger than them, they then lower their value to something which is severely lower than their actual worth, because their brain cannot fathom them being able to do such a big task, such a hard, confusing task. So it really and truly is all mindset. A lot of these videos are going to be human psychology, because once you know how the market moves, you do not need to have consistent videos on how it does move. You need human psychology videos that will actually help progress you as a person as well as a trader. So I'm going to refer you to the definition on the left here. Imposter syndrome, a psychological pattern in which an individual constantly feels inadequate despite evident success. Those who experience imposter syndrome suffer from chronic self-doubt regarding their skills, talents, intellect, or accomplishments. Despite external proof for their competence and success, they also experience an internalized fear of being exposed as a fraud. So it really does affect traders, especially if they are in the limelight, like having a platform to help others. They may have a losing day and see that as they are a fraud, because how could they ever lose when they broadcast themselves trading and their journey publicly for people to see? How could they ever lose? That is imposter syndrome, a way of an imposter syndrome thought. Now, comparing it to the previous video we posted this week about self-image and seeing yourself as someone that is already where you want to be, this is the exact opposite image of that, and seeing yourself as way less than what you actually are due to poor mindset regulation and poor mindset control. So hopefully this wakes some of you guys up. This can also be very burning out and very exhausting to have to face imposter syndrome all the time. So please look after yourself if this is happening to you. If it is, maybe you should start reflecting on your success and your progress, and this will hopefully shut up imposter syndrome and help you get back to thinking positively again and rewiring your subconscious brain to realize how special and how successful you really are, and that every day you're progressing 1% better minimum, and that there is nothing to see yourself as lower than. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.